Namaste, yogis. Hope you all are good and healthy. But have you ever heard that you can use your Thunderbolt pose for awakening Kundalini? In these days, in modern time, people are so much interested about Kundalini. They talk about Kundalini yoga. They do a lot of variations, a lot of work, but it's so easy that you can awaken your Kundalini with Vajrasana. Today, my topic is very interesting, which is called benefits of Vajrasana. So, this Thunderbolt, I have been already made one video on Thunderbolt or Vajrasana. You may watch that video. I will drop a link below in the description. So, I will come back on Vajrasana. So, I will, in a very short, I will show you how to practice Vajrasana. Release pressure from your body, especially from the ankles. So, some ankle movement to activate your leg, little vibration. Basically, you're giving that fluctuation, that movement to your knees. So they are not like under pressure when you will sit. So you want to sit in Vajrasana. What you will do, you will fold your legs. So basically, you're trying to climb up the heels. So basically, this is the working of Vajrasana or Thunderbolt pose. We are sitting over the heels. And if there are always some advantages. So what happens when you sit in Vajrasana? If you talk about the physical body, first your pelvis. Pelvis was under pressure. It's always having a lot of tension. You're standing, you're shifting all the weight on the legs. So pelvis comes under pressure. So when you sit down in this pose, your pelvis will be flat. The plate on which your spine is just settled, it would get relaxed. You will feel your thighs, quadriceps and adductors muscles, they will be very much settled. Your abdomen, the core, you will feel your core muscles, they will be at rest. Your arms muscles, the alignment of your body will be brought open. Your body will be in the proper tone, proper shape. So still we are talking about physical formation. You will check your breathing. You will check your lungs under the rib cage. This is the proper working of Vajrasana. So the alignment is important. Why physical part is must? Because you can sit when you're comfortable, when you're relaxed. If you're not in a proper alignment, this posture is not going to give you what are the offerings. So if you want to have them, you need to prepare yourself to have that impact. The second was, first was physical, second is mental benefit. When you sit in Vajrasana, and just for your information, this is the only pose which is the top in asanas to digest your food. If you don't have time to have a rest or a walk after your food, you're so busy, you may only sit in this posture, your digestive system will be at rest. This is the only pose to digest your food, and that has the impact on your mental body. So your digestive tract is at ease, your nerves will start to calm. You can try it. And what are the benefits? What you are feeling? Let me know. Put some comments. For meditation, because our meditation is concerned with the thoughts, this is one of the best pose as well for meditation. So as long you make a habit, as long you are able to hold this pose, please stay there and practice meditation. And for the meditation as well, not so much to change. As you will sit, you may use this meditative mudra, Dhyan mudra, meditation into Vajrasana. You will find that deep level. You will easily disconnect yourself from the outer world. Whatever is happening over there, we just leave it. The third working, the spiritual benefits. The spiritual benefits of this pose are because you are aware. If you know, this is the posture in which your Mooladhara chakra or the root channel starts to open. And this is the spiritual practice, how our energy is flowing in yogic way. It's transferring down to the top, down to the top. So as we concentrate here, it comes up. We concentrate here, goes up. So that's the fluctuation of your spiritual energy. So when you sit into Vajrasana, the physical part is highly recommended. But as you will not practice the physical part, how the mental and spiritual part they will come up. So as your Mooladhara chakra is concerned with this posture, you can activate Mooladhara chakra as much you can sit. And if you find some symptoms, like you have some tingling on your nerves, on the lower body, means it's concerned with your Kundalini. In starting, I mentioned you can awake your Kundalini with Vajrasana. That's the working because you're preparing your body to open that natural energy. It's a natural energy, but hidden. It's for them who are aware. You are a yogi, since you are aware, you have that sense to connect with yourself. And cosmic energies, spiritual energies, they are nothing unknown. They are nothing that are hidden, but they are available. You need to prepare yourself to that level to have them, to make that connection. So this is the practice of Vajrasana, how you can awaken your energy, your hidden energies, and to use them for your self growth. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked, don't forget to press the like button, put the comments, share my video, and subscribe. Thank you so much.